Alright guys, today kind of went haywire on me, but we're here at the track now, and we're gonna see how things go. It should be a fun little time here, and we're just kind of doing whatever. Pretty much unlimited runs down the quarter mile, or eighth mile over here at Showtime, and then some drifting and stuff. So I did the old eyeball alignment, so I just want to take just a run over 30 miles an hour and see if it goes straight. So we'll see how it does. Should be fun. Alright guys, so this is a rad event. So this is Jeremy's church group actually, rented out the track for the night, and we're all invited just to go on for some shenanigans. So that last run you saw, that was a second gear launch. Now I spun really bad from second to third. Let me see if I can find my slip here. The good news is the car goes straight, so that's good. But yeah, that last one I did a second gear launch, and I did a 1.8 60 foot. So, but I spun third going in, so I kind of lost my momentum there. So I'm gonna let it sit a minute, and then we're gonna see what we can do. In the meantime, we got Coop, we got Jeremy, and all sorts of stuff going on here. Hard time figuring this car out a little bit. I'm all over the place, but we're gonna call it quits for drag racing, and we're gonna take a stab at drifting, which I've never really done before, so this could be interesting. A lot of cars out here. Yeah, the old 4 for all.
Where you at, man? Let's get out there, bro.
See what they do. Not with this guy.
So we got what? 1, 2, 3.
Dallas is sick, dude.
Cars that are gonna drift
The 240?
time.
Yeah. So I got my buddy Dallas here, and what did you think? 20 psi or something?
Yeah, so this car makes like, let's say
almost 500 horsepower.
Okay, so almost 500. My car is around that, and I run my front tires at 30 psi, and rears at anywhere from 20 to 10 pounds.
Yeah,
So,
I gotta give me one of those Milwaukee.
they're cheap.
Yeah, I know.
Freaking
Yeah,
amazing.
those are sick. I'm jealous.
Well, I was tired of carrying around a pancake.
Yeah,
Paracam.
yeah, that's a pain.
Yeah.
So Dallas gonna ride with me and try to give me some pointers because, like I said, I've never really drifted before. So we're just gonna go out and see if we can do something.
See, you're gonna tap the wall.
I'm not gonna tap the wall.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going nowhere close to the wall.
This way, in 6 months,
Yeah.
you're gonna be filming, and it's gonna be like, yo, me and Dallas just tapped the wall and they're down, and you're gonna be all pumped. It turns into this.
Yeah. Problem is, tapping the wall in this car is like destroying the car. You know what I mean? That's
Yeah,
the
yeah,
issue with
yeah.
tapping the wall.
See, mine's like yours. I mean,
Yeah.
you pull all the panels off, it's just a big
Yeah.
tube thing. All right, we're close enough.
Yeah, let's do it.
25 and 27.
I was like
takes
doing this
time.
shit.
It takes a lot of time. So that's the number one thing I try to tell everyone. See, the hard thing.
Dude, look at these tires. It's not even freaking affected.
Hell yeah.
This car's so light.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Well, guys, that was a fun night. Really hard day today. I pulled a K24 out of the junkyard this morning, and then we went drifting and drag racing tonight. And obviously you saw our little debacle with our tie rods. Just goes to show, don't believe everything you read on the internet. It was one of those deals where I was able to just get it done in the nick of time, and man, it came out really good. So tons more angle. Let me show you actually how much angle it has. So that's the angle it has now, which is significant. I mean, I'll measure it when I get back to the shop here and see how much we gain, but it's a lot, I can tell you that. So all that being said, I'm gonna go to bed because, man, I am wussed. Today beat my butt. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.